Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Maya who lived in a small village on a hill. Maya really wanted to explore the world outside her village, but there was a problem. She couldn't speak English. Whenever she saw tourists visiting her village and talking in English, she felt a strong desire to talk to them. She knew that learning English could help her talk to people from different places, so Maya decided to learn English by herself. One day, Maya went to the village library and found a book with stories in English. She decided to learn from those stories. Maya read the book every day, trying hard to understand the words. Sometimes she got confused, but she didn't give up. She practiced reading the stories aloud and acted them out to help her understand better. She had trouble with some words and grammar, and sometimes she felt frustrated, but she didn't give up. She kept thinking about her dreams and the places she wanted to visit. Day by day, Maya's English got better. She practiced speaking with her family, friends, and even the chickens in her yard. After a while, Maya felt more confident. She went to talk to some tourists who spoke English. To her surprise, she could understand them, and they could understand her too. The tourists were impressed by Maya's effort to learn English. They encouraged her to keep practicing. Maya felt proud of herself and kept learning more English. They even asked Maya to show them around the village and share stories about her life there. Maya became known as the friendly village guide who could speak English. She loved sharing her culture and traditions with people from all over the world. And so, Maya's dream of exploring the world came true in a way she never expected. Maya realized that learning English opened up many opportunities for her. By learning English, she not only connected with people from different countries but also became a valued member of her community as a tourist guide.